Let's take a brief look into my Rise to the Challenge horizontal wrestling template. With this template, you can easily position and insert your subjects. There's a full tutorial included with the instant download that'll easily teach you how to do this. You shut off my sample subjects, and you'll have some extracted subjects that you drag and drop into the template and position where you like. And of course you can fit a lot larger teams also. Simply make them a little bit smaller, just like the sample image. All the text and all the elements are completely editable, so I can move things like the scoreboard, podium. I can change the color of almost all the elements. So for example, the bleachers, the team's colors are red and white. I could change this to a red. Same for the wrestling mat. And even the podium. Background color can change. And any of the text. It also has a pre-built schedule that you can edit to modify for your team. And it can be as simple and easy as that to create awesome team posters, banners, and prints for your parents.